Controversial personality and just dismissed DPWH Assistant First Bulacan District Engineer Bryce Hernandez just had his worst fears unfold today in his return to the Senate for questioning and detention. And the aggrieved senators he accused of receiving kickbacks wasted no time to raise hell in their interpellations, even as former Senate Blue Ribbon Chair echoed his plea for the Discayas entry into the WPP as we hear this report.
Bryce Hernandez, the controversial former DPWH engineer, is back at the Senate detention facility, as confirmed by Senate President Tito Soto's office, after being detained in Pasay City Jail. But members of the minority bloc questioned this move.
Bakit parang naging Senate VIP itong si Assistant DE Bryce na pinag-usapan na sa Senado at meron pong motion na inapprove ng buong Senado na sa Pasay City Jail, pero walang konsultasyon ay nandito na ulit.
Paano siyang nasunod sa PNP Custodial? Paano siyang nasunod sa Pasay City Jail? Puro ayaw niya nga yun eh. Di ba? So it's maling opinion.
Sir, show of course by
well, of course, it's opinion. It's their opinion. But my opinion is that we're just following the procedures.
Meanwhile, some senators who were tagged by Hernandez during the House investigation took the floor and expressed their ill feelings toward Hernandez. Some of them expressed their willingness to sign a waiver to open their bank accounts.
Doon po sa simbahan ng JIL Church, Mr. President, hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman nyo kung nasa sapatos ko po kayo. Kahit po si Satanas, hindi papayag dun sa script niya. Tatanggap ka ng suhol sa simbahan. Tapos, kung ano yung sabihin niya, yun ang masusunod. Doon ako sa PNP Custodial. Doon ako sa Senado ngayon. Nagbago na isip ko. And then susunod doon tayo. Mahirap hulunukin yun.
Nung si Bryce Hernandez na, nagbanggit ng dalawang senador. Front page na kagad kami. Kahit hindi totoo yung sinasabi niya. Na walang basihan. 30% commission daw. I'm sorry. Strike that from the strike out from the record. Ako, I'm open to an investigation. In fact, Mr. President, ngayon pa lang, kahit hindi pa nagko-comment sa Blue Ribbon Committee ni Senator Lacson. Ngayon pa lang, I'm willing to sign any waiver to open my bank accounts.
We have been consistent ever since. In fact, we have a bill for government officials na dapat naka-waive yun. I was just elected as Committee on Banks Chair. We'll pass it.
Sir, for the record, you're open.
Definitely, ever since I'm open.
Meanwhile, Senator Dante Marcoleta defended his move to recommend the Discayas to be placed under Witness Protection Program.
Wala pong sino sa amin ang pwedeng mag-judge, not even the Senate President. Ako nga pwede akong magsabi na baka siya yung may pagkukulang ba't niya ginadjudge. Sapagkat alam ko yung mga Diskaya, kalaban ng pamangkin niya sa politika.
Ay, hindi. That is completely false. Sapagkat wala sa lugar. Paano mong gagawin witness protection program? Magkakaroon ng immunity yung billion-billion ng ninakaw sa gobyerno, allegedly. Paano mo gagawin yun? Tapos ayaw isole? Hindi. Yun ang requirement para maging isang witness protection witness na WPP ka. Kailangan
Senators from the minority bloc meanwhile confronted Senate President Tito Soto, even his personal opinions during the past interviews. But Soto answered them all.
Ngayon po yung sinasabing abogado ka nga, di ka naman magaling mag-imbestiga. Hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung tinutukoy ninyo sapagkat narinig din po kayo sa inyong mga interviews.
Ang gusto ninyo, awayin ko yung House of Representatives on day one, mamatay sila sa sama ng loob. So, malungkot lang ko ito, dalawang punto, Mr. President. Unang-una, yung mamatay sila sa sama ng loob. Kami, Mr. President, hindi mo po kami mapatay sa sama ng loob.
When I said mamatay sila na sama ng loob, we were addressing the trolls. Because it was the trolls who were saying something to that effect. Na misunderstood nila completely. My opinion, as aired, Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan, pagpasensya nyo ako. Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan yung mga sinabi ko, na opinion ko. Pero I never mentioned names. When I said, baka na-edit, tama yung sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Iba yung thinking eh. Bakit iisipin nyo kagad na pinapa-edit ko yung affidavit? Hindi ba? Hindi eh. So, and when I say those things, you should not feel alluded to. Wala naman akong binanggit na pangalan eh. Di ba? And then yung tinatanong, binanggit yung tungkol sa the Blue Ribbon being a lawyer, does not have anything to do with Senator Marcoleta. It was a question by the public.
Despite the minority bloc being active on the floor on checking the majority's move, they were granted committee chairmanship, including the Committee on Banks, Civil Service, Public Information, and more. Daniel Mananastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.